Good morning, kids. I'm Mohana Ravi, your computer teacher. Hope you all are well and fine, safe at home. Be safe, be careful while coming out. Wear your mask, wash your hands frequently in a particular time. Now, today we are going to learn our second lesson book bag exercises. In this video, I'm going to teach you a complete book bag exercises along with the classworks. Okay, in classwork you will write only the question answers. Rest all exercises you will write in your textbook. Okay, in textbook you will write. Okay, the first exercise is fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in the blanks. See here, first fill up is my computer displays the content of the computer. Okay, content means whatever there in your computer. Okay, any files or folders or pictures, videos, musics, or any documents, anything you have, or any software you have, anything you have, everything can be seen in my computer section. Okay, as soon as you click on my computer, it will ask you which drive you want to open. After selecting the drive, it will ask you which file and which folder, which file, everything. Okay, inside it will take you in. Okay, so my computer displays all the content what and all you have in your computer. Okay, then the second one, file is a collection of information. Okay, file means, let's take you have some document. In that document, what and all you have typed, all are information only. In the earlier classes like second and third and all, you would have learned what is data. Data is a meaningful information. Okay, what and all you type is data. If the data is meaningful, then it becomes information. So information data is called a file. Okay, then file name has three parts. How many parts the file name has? File name, whatever the desired name, then in the center there will be a dot, then the type name. If it is if it is exe file, there will be a exe, or if it is pdf file, there will be a .pdf. okay, if it is a document file, that will be a doc. These three letters are called extensions of the particular. Okay, extensions means type of file. It shows the type. As soon as you see these three letters, extension letters, you can understand which type of file it is. As soon as you see pdf, you can understand it is a pdf file. As soon as you see doc, you can understand it is a document file. As soon as you see xls, you can understand this is an excel file. So the last three letters after a dot gives you the type of file information. Okay, then the next one, the extension WAV indicates sound file, that is wave file. Most of this kind of wave files or recorded files also, whatever you record in your phone, everything if you see, it will give you wave kind of extension only. Okay, so these are all audio files, that is sound files. Okay, then the next one, drive is the storage area in the hard disk. Okay, drive is the storage area in the hard disk. What is drive? In the computer there will be a main C drive, then the extended hard disk will be like storages will be like D, E and all will be there. Okay, C, D, E, everything will be there. Okay, drive is the storage area in the hard disk. Okay, drive is the storage area in the hard disk. Then the file marked for deletions are stored in recycle bin. Okay, the file marked for deletion are stored in a recycle bin. Okay, means what and all the files you feel it is waste, it is useless, and you want to delete it. Okay, where the deleted files will go? as in home, what and all the waste materials we are throwing in the dustbin, the same way a computer also has a dustbin kind of a structure. Okay, the dustbin is called recycle bin. Okay, here the deleted one, crashed one will come and settle. As soon as you delete some file or folder, it will appear in your recycle bin. But there is an option in this recycle bin. Suppose by mistake if you have deleted, there is an option called restore, means you can get back your file from the restore. Okay, so this is the option. So what and all the files and folders, any pictures or documents or videos you are deleting, everything will go and settle, stored in recycle bin. Okay, then the other one, my document is represented by a folder with paper, isn't it? Document means any written paper. Okay, in simple language. Okay, let's take apart from the computer. Okay, in other normal life. Okay, if you say document is written paper. Okay, so the same way here also document is a written paper. So obviously the folder will contain some sheets of paper. Okay, so my document is represented by a folder with a paper. Okay, then Windows Explorer helps to explore files and folder. Here you have to understand one thing, what is Explorer. Okay, Explorer means everything should be there inside. Okay, nothing should be invisible in this Explorer. Explorer means A to Z, everything there present in the Explorer, Windows Explorer. Okay, understand kids? So Windows Explorer has all files and folders including system files within it. So whatever you want to search, here you can have a search. So this is why the Windows Explorer helps to explore files and folders. Explore means search. Okay, you can search whatever the files and folders. Suppose if you feel you are not able to search where the file and folder is located, by mistake you have saved in some place, you want to know where the file is located, you can come here and there is a search button. Okay, in that you can just type the file name or folder name, whatever you have given, and if you click on search, immediately the file will appear with the location. Okay, so this is how the Windows Explorer will help us. Okay, then the left part of the Explorer window displays drive, folder and the other hardware. Okay, the left part of the Explorer window, there will be two part. One is main part, bigger screen, bigger part of the screen. Then the left part is a small small rectangular window. Okay, rectangular sized screen. Okay, divided screen. Here you will be able to see what and all the drives and folders are there. Let's take, if you have a C folder, in C folder, if you there will be a drives. What are all the drives you have first? C, D, E, everything will be there. If you click on C drive, under C drive, whatever the files and folders you have, everything will be there. If you click on any particular folder, it will give you the information of files whatever there inside the folder. Okay, likewise in the left side of the rectangular divided screen, you can find all drives, folders and inside folders files also. Okay, this is how it is. Next, the dot in the file name separates file name and extension. Okay, file name and extension. I have earlier explained about this in the third fill up. File name has three parts. Okay, the same way, what is the three part I told you there? File name, dot, extension. Okay, file name is a name, whatever you are giving your desired name, and the dot and the extension whatever the type of name. If it is document DOC, if it is Excel XLS, then if it is a PDF, then PDF, if it is a picture file, then JPG. Like that, the extension represents the type of files. Okay, so these are the 10 fill in the blanks you have in your textbook. Okay, so copy it in your textbook and read it. Okay, if you have understood the understood the topic, then reading is not at all a matter. Just one simple read, or even without reading, if you would have understood my talk, then without reading you will be able to answer. Then we will go on to the next slide. Match the following. I have given you many example in the extensions. Okay, the same way here some. See, DOC is for MS Word file. Word is a document file. Okay, then JPG GIF is a picture file. Animation file also comes under GIF. Okay, then WAV, wave. Okay, I told you all recorded files in your phone, everything will have wave extension. So these are all sound files, that is audio files. Okay, then .bmp. Okay, our favorite paint files. Okay, so whatever you are doing painting in your computer, every picture will be saved in your design name .bmp. Okay, then .txt. These are simple text file. Okay, that is notepad files. Okay, in between in the conversation, if you want to type something, then you can simply go to notepad file and you can type it and save it. So this is notepad file. Okay, there is large difference between MS Word and notepad. In Word, in MS Word file, you can do bold, italic and underline, everything is possible, and enlarging or expanding or shrinking the fonts size also is possible. But in notepad there is nothing like that. It's just like a simple notepad how we do at home with a pen and paper. The same way you can just type and save, that's it. That is called a TXT. Okay kids, now next, true or false. A file name is used to recognize a file. Is it true or false? We do recognize with the file name. Yes, it is true. With the extension we recognize. Recycle bin temporarily holds the deletion files and folders. Is it true? Yes, it is true. Okay. Folder is a collection of drives. Yes, folder is a collection of drives. Is it true? Folder is a collection of drives. No, drive is a collection of folders. Then it is a false. Okay. Recycle, the second one, recycle bin temporarily holds the deleted files and folders. Yes, it is true. I have not given this information. For a certain period of days it will be there, and automatically after some time it will go off like that. And temporarily, the other thing is like you can recover it from your recycle bin, that is also there. Okay, then right part of Explorer window displays files, drives and folders. The right part or left part? Right part always will be the bigger one. Okay, and the left part only always will be the smaller one, smaller rectangular size device screen. Okay, divided screen. Okay, whatever there in the left part, whatever the drives and folders are there, inside the drive the content what is there, that only will be displayed in the right hand side bigger screen. So as per the information it is false. Okay, it is left side only. My document is represented by a dustbin with a sheet of paper. Is it true or false? My document is represented by a dustbin with a sheet of paper. In the dustbin, if you go and see recycle bin in the computer, the papers will be a crashed ones. Okay, crashed and shrinked papers only will be there. Okay, not the sheets. Okay, so it is false. Then answer the following. Name any 3 Windows program on the desktop. Name any 3 Windows program on the desktop. My computer, my document, recycle bin. Basically these 3 will be there. Okay, even a new computer, brand new computer you bought just now, okay, the moment you open your computer, these 3 basically will be there on the computer. Okay, so these 3 are must. Then what is a file? Explain its parts. Okay, in the fill up itself I have twice or thrice I've explained. A file is a collection of information. A file is a collection of information. It consists of text, pictures, numbers, sound, or a combination of all. File name has 3 parts, namely file name, a dot, and the extension. Okay, file name has a 3 parts, that is file name, desired name, and in center a dot, then the extension which represents the which type of file it is. Okay, file name is a given to the file. The name what you are giving to the file is a file name. So you can give any name, any name you can give to the file. Extension represents the application in which the file is created, and the dot separates the file name and the extension. Okay, and earlierly I told you extension represents the application. Okay, if it is WAV, then you will understand it is a sound file. If it is JPG, you will understand it is a picture file. Okay, the same way the extension represents the application in which the file is created. Okay, if it is DOC, then you can understand it is a document file and it is created with the application of MS Word. Okay, the same way the dot separates the file name and the extension. Okay, the name what you have decided to give the name, and following that will be a dot, and following that will be a extension. These 3 will be there. You have to understand what type of file it is first and what is the name of the file. Let's take if you have some file name like windows.doc. So where you will go and search this file? You will go and search this file in the MS Word document. Okay, because DOC is a type of file. It is a document file. So you will search it in the MS Word. Okay, the same. What is recycle bin? Recycle bin holds the files and folder marked for deletion temporarily. Okay, recycle bin holds the files and folders marked for deletion temporarily. Okay, recycle bin holds the files and folder marked for deletion temporarily. That is whatever files or folders you deleted, everything will be temporarily available in the dustbin. After certain period it will be permanently deleted, or you can also select all things and you can again, if you delete from the dustbin, permanently it will be deleted. Or by mistake you have deleted something, if you want to restore a file, then that is also possible. Simply go to recycle bin, select that particular file or folder, right click, there will be a restore option. If you select restore, then from the deleted section to it will come to the normal section where the file previously was there. Okay, now next one, how will you open Windows Explorer? How will you open Windows Explorer? 1 minute. To open Windows Explorer, click on Start button, point to Program, Accessories, and select Windows Explorer. Very simple. To open Windows Explorer, click on the Start button, point on Program, then go to Accessories and select Windows Explorer. Just do it once at home. Okay, just do it once at home if you have a computer. Okay, then what is a drive? A drive is a storage area in the hard disk where files, folders, and application programs are stored. Okay, drive is a storage area in the hard disk. In the hard disk, drive is a storage area where files, folders, applications, everything will be there. Okay, files, folders, and applications all programs will be there stored. Okay, so that is called a drive. Okay, then what is folder? A folder is a collection of different files grouped under one name. A folder is a collection of different files. Okay, you can have a sound file, you can have a picture file, you can have a video file, you can have a paint file. So any type of file you can have in under one folder. So this is why it is written here as grouped under one name. Okay, collection of different files grouped under one name. Then explain my computer. Okay, my computer stores the files and folders for quick and easy access. Okay, my computer stores the files and folders for quick and easy access. It is represented by folder with a sheet of a paper in it. When the user saves a file, it gets saved in my document by default. Okay, my computer stores the files and folders for quick and easy access. Quick and easy access means any files or any type of file, if you want to open, you can simply come to my computer. Okay, you will find all type of computer, what and all the files and folders you have saved, everything is available in my computer. Okay, it is represented by the folder with a sheet of paper in it. Okay, you can identify my computer folders. It will be like a folder inside some sheets. The icon will be like this. Okay, you can very easily find out. When the user saves a file, it gets saved in my document by default. So anything you save, everything will be saved under my document by default. Automatically it will be saved. Okay kids, now the next one, mention any three types of three file extensions. That is we have seen many extensions. Only three you can write. I have given BMP, JPG, WAV. You can give anything. Okay, BMP is extension of paint file, JPG is extension of picture file, WAV is extension of sound file. Okay, anything you can take, anything you can give. Okay kids, now next, what is computer and how will you open it? What is computer? How will you open it? My computer displays the content of the computer such as drives, folders and other hardware details. Open my computer, double click on the icon on the desktop. Okay, my computer displays the content of the computer. Okay, means whatever the content is there in the computer, everything will be displayed in the my computer, such as drives, folders and other hardware details. Everything will be there. Open my computer. To open my computer, just double click on my computer, automatically it will be opened. Okay, now that's all. Your book back exercises got over. Now I think I have covered everything within this. I will post these slide sheets into your WhatsApp group also. By seeing that also you can note down. Okay kids, bye. That's all. We have come to the end. We will meet in the next class. Bye.